Okay.
Kevin.
Okay. Look at the board now. Again, this is Teacher Rachel. Nice to see you. What's your name? May I hear? What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Wow. Nice to meet you, Kevin. Now, let us say hello. Okay, look at the board. And we will say hello. Let's sing. Okay. Say hello. Okay.
Hello,
Kevin.
hello, hello, how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good.
So, Kevin, how are you? How are you feeling? How are you, Kevin? You say?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Wow, very good. I'm fine. Ready for our lesson? Are you ready, Kevin? Yes. Yes, okay. Always listen to teacher. Now, okay. Kevin, we are going to learn about phonics. Ready? Phonics. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Always listen to teacher and look at my mouth when I say the words. Now, let's have a warm up. Kevin, I will point at the object, at the picture, and you repeat after me. A. Say it, Kevin. A. A. Good. Again. A. Again. Very good. Now we have the word ant. Ant. Say again. Okay. Letter B. Next. B. Say, Kevin. B. Again. B. Very good. Okay. Kevin. Bear. Say it. Bear. Again. Very good. Okay. We have letter A and B. Next, letter C. Say, Kevin. C. Again. C. Wow. And yes, what is this animal? Cat. Cat. Again. Cat. Look at my mouth. Cat. Cat. Again. Cat. Wow, very good. And letter D. Say D. Again. D. Okay. Our word dog. Wow, very good. Dog. Okay. Correct. Wow, you did well in saying the words. Again. Ant. Say ant. Say good. Bear. Cat. Good. Dog. Wow, very good. Next, Kevin. Ooh, what letter is this? Repeat after teacher. E. Okay, Kevin. We have big letter E. Say big. Okay. Now say big letter E. Very good. Okay. Next, we have small letter E. Small. Come on. E. Okay. Letter Okay.
Small.
Okay, repeat after teacher. Small. Say small.
Small.
Very good.
Small.
Small. Now say letter. Next, Kevin, letter.
Letter.
Very good. E. E. Okay,
E.
very good, Kevin. Letter E. Now let us look. What is the word with letter E? What's this? Egg. Egg.
Egg.
Again? Egg.
Egg.
Very good. Okay, Kevin. Next. Oh, we have letter F. Say, Kevin.
F.
Again, F.
F. F.
Very good. Okay. Again, this is the big letter F. Big letter, big letter F.
F.
Okay. Good job, Kevin. Also have small letter F. F.
Small.
F.
F.
Very good. Okay. Let us look. What is this word? Look at my mouth. Fish. Fish.
Fish.
Again?
Fish.
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 Wow.
Fish.
Yay! Very good, Kevin. Let's practice. Ready? Are you ready for this, Kevin? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Kevin, this is a fish. Say
Yes.
fish. Okay. Now, can you try, Kevin, to circle? Can you try? Wow, very good. Letter. A very smart boy. Correct. Letter F. Again, say F. F.
Fish.
Yes, fish.
F.
F. Very good. Again, F.
F.
Good job. Correct. Next, Kevin, what is this? Can you remember? What is this? Okay, circle first. Circle the letter. Circle the letter. Okay, try again. Like this one. Like this. Like what you did here, Kevin. You circled. You circled it. So you try. What letter? We have the word egg. Ooh, what letter? Egg. Okay.
F.
Egg.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Circle. Is it letter F or letter E? You try. Try. Okay. Try to circle. Can you do?
Okay.
Okay, Kevin.
Huh?
Can you try circle, circle? Like this. Can you see the brush? Like what you did earlier. Circle. Okay, okay. Circle. Okay, Kevin, good job. Come on. Ooh. Very okay. Try it again. Try. Yay! Letter E. Say, Kevin. E. Wow, very good. E. Try again. E. Okay. The word is